Electrical Installations One-Phase Distribution Board Tennessee S. Hello and welcome at Tesla Institute Online Lessons. In this lesson we will talk about one-phase distribution board. Distribution board is an element of a flat-house electrical installation. It is mounted between power supply delivery point, mostly an electricity meter, and wire circuits of electrical installation. A main task of the distribution board is divide electricity supply point to few separate circuits, and give possibility to independently switch on-off every circuit. This circuit of one-phase distribution board is very popular, which is very often used in small flats and smaller houses. In this case it delivers 5 circuits for a flat house electrical installation, 3 circuits for sockets, and 2 circuits for a lighting. In this case we have Tennessee S system arrangement. Tennessee S system arrangement mean we have 2 separate neutral wire and potential earth wire, from transformer to consuming device, which are not connected together at any point after the building distribution point. Let's look at on an elements of this simple distribution board. It consists from an entry point, RCD device, N bus, PE bus, and 5 miniature circuit breakers MCB. 3 are 16 amps, and 2 are 10 amps. Here we have input point from power supply, the most often from an electricity meter. In real these are wires from the electricity meter. Next very important component is RCD device. It introduces electric shock protection. L and N wires are connected directly to RCD device Q1, and PE wire is connected to PE bus. Output 2 of RCD device Q1 is connected to common point of circuit breakers F1 F5. Common point connection can be made from wires or with the help some special circuit breakers bar. The circuit breakers protect the electrical installation wires against too high currents, which appear in overload states, and at short circuit in the electrical installation. A 2.5 square millimeters cross-section wires we protect by a 16 amps circuit breakers, and 1.5 square millimeters cross-section wires we protect by a 10 amps circuit breakers. 2 other sides of circuit breakers are connected to wires of electrical installation circuits. To the circuit breakers F1 to F3 are connected as sockets circuits, and to the circuit breakers F4 and F5 are connected to lighting circuits. Now let's look on various operating states of our distribution board. Here all devices are off. We have a voltage only on an input terminal of RCD device. After turn on the RCD device, the voltage appear on a common point of all circuit breakers. When we turn on circuit breakers F1 and F2, we switch the voltage to the circuits 1 and 2. And next by turning on the circuit breaker F3 to circuit 3. Now all circuit breakers are on, and we have the voltage in all circuits. Circuits 1 and 3 are off, all circuits are on, and only circuit 4 is off. When RCD devices turn off, even if all circuit breakers are on, we don't have any voltage in circuits of our electrical installation. An operation of distribution board you can watch on a simulation. Young English engineer. Your way to the electronics world. Like our Facebook page and learn more. Project provided by Tesla Institute. School of Electrical Engineering and Automation.